Alright, what's up guys? So today is our second video in our food for healthy hair series. And today we're going to be sharing a fruit that's very popular in the Caribbean, where Chris is from and where my family is from as well. And that fruit is soursop. Now the FDA doesn't necessarily like when people talk about the health benefits of soursop. So you can do your own research with a quick Google search. And this summer, Chris is going to show you guys how to make soursop ice cream, which is what she used to make with her grandmother every Saturday, right?
Yeah, every Saturday. My job was to put the salt around the ice in the ice bucket. We actually used to churn it. So
big job, big job. But today I'm going to show you guys how to make a quick alkaline soursop smoothie. Gonna work for you on a cellular level. It's gonna be great for your nail.
That one nail you have?
For that one nail you got. It's gonna be good for your hair, your nails, your skin. Let's get to the video. What? We're getting to the video.
Show them our outdoor kitchen. Show them our outdoor kitchen.
It's not outdoor kitchen because we balling. And this is what you're gonna need. So we have our soursop here, and for the record, this is what it looks like when you buy it in the stores. And we also got our date nectar here. And
on Instagram I had said this was a recipe 10 years in the making. I've been waiting for a decadent date nectar like this, so yeah, it's about to be on.
25% less sugar than honey, so yeah. We got our pink Himalayan sea salt, our agave, and we got our hemp seeds. If you want to, you can leave your cans behind. And anyone's dancing, anyone's dancing, anyone's dancing behind. I looked up the lyrics on Genius, and that's the words.
Those are not the words.
And anyone's dancing, anyone's dancing, anyone's dance behind.
Anyone's dance behind? Is that?
Yes. Is that Get the boy a car. There was a car. Get him a car. A toy car. Get him a toy car. A car. It wasn't that hard. I wasn't saying something complicated. Come on, let's go. What? We're going.
It's such a natural walk. Wow, your walk is so organic and natural. Nothing weird. All right.
Ooh. Oh, this smells good. Yeah.
Yo, it's the summer of soursop. We're calling it now. We're calling it
summer. That soursop summer.
You get my soursop in the back.
Boy, the soursop summer.
You get my soursop in the back.
Soursop summer. You guys saw the ingredients, so let's go ahead and put those in. And some water.
Water and liquor.
Water and liquor.
That's good.
Okay.
I want to make it nice and thick.
You drank, you thick. That bird, look at them birds. Hi birds.
What a bird? Look at your little bird. Alright, let's pour it.
Alright, let's pour it.
Put a little something in my cup. I just want to copyright, copyright. Ooh, ooh.
Look at that though. Oh, we gonna feel that.
Look at that though.
We gonna feel that.
Woo.
Alright, so as you can see, I've already been drinking it, but I'll taste it for you guys on camera.
Yeah, we have to take some pictures. It literally smells like candy.
Literally tastes like candy.
It tastes like candy, right?
It tastes like Jolly Rancher or like Starburst or Skittles or something. I don't even know. It tastes like a tropical fruit. Yeah, tropical fruit candy. That's
tropical
what it tastes
fruit, like. Yeah. We would recommend you put a little bit of sea moss with this if you can find sea moss. And what else is that? Coconut milk.
Coconut milk.
Now the light wants to show up.
Yeah, I look
now
good
the
in any light, so it's all good.
That
right?
is.
It's all good, right? Yeah.
Those are facts.
No, but this is off the chain. I love tropical fruit and tropical candy, that kind of stuff, and this tastes just like when those companies try to do tropical flavors, man. And
y'all have to try it. Like,
yeah, this is gonna.
We grew up eating this stuff, and it is.
This is gonna be the movement in the house, man, because this is amazing. It's gonna be the year of soursop.
The summer of soursop. Soursop summer.
Soursop summer. But yeah, you know, soursop smoothie, soursop
Milk.
ice cream, milk,
Everything.
everything. Soursop
Lollipops.
ice pops.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's about to go down, and I'm about to go to Publix and buy out the whole supply. So y'all better get down to the store real quick and get it before I get it, because I'm gonna go get it. All right, that was the video though. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget
Leave a comment below if you've ever had.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe,
share.
leave a comment, share, and leave a comment below if you guys have ever tried soursop.
Or if you're on a lock journey and you're trying to grow your hair.
If you're on a lock journey, you're trying to grow your hair, you're trying to get your skin right, whatever the case may be. If you have tried soursop, tell us what your favorite way of having it is. And, you know, don't be afraid to talk to us, man. You know, we a family here.
We're a family.
Infinite family. That's what we do. All right, so once again, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.